Hello my dear friends, I welcome you to the MCQ solution of lecture number 7. Topic 11th standard mechanical properties of solids. इलास्टिसिटी के ऊपर का काम चल रहा है और इस 7वें लेक्चर के जो मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस आपने सॉल्व किए हैं अभी उनके सॉल्यूशन के बारे में बात करेंगे. लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. 10 MCQs है. कोशिश करेंगे हर एक को बड़े डिटेल से आप तक पहुंचाने की, उसके जवाबों को उसके सॉल्यूशन के साथ. Two wires of the same material, y1 is equal to y2. Two wires of the same material and length L1 is equal to L2. Two wires of the same material and length, but their masses are in the ratio 4:3. Masses are in the ratio 4:3. M1 upon M2 is equal to 4/3. Fine. If they are stretched by the same force, F1 is equal to F2, then they are asking us their elongations will be in the ratio dash. Their elongation will be in the ratio dash. तो चलिए elongation के बारे में बात करेंगे कि elongation का formulation क्या है. So I have the formula y is equal to FL upon A into small l. Small l is equal to FL upon y into A. मुझे elongation का रेशियो ढूंढना है और elongation का रेशियो आएगा L1 upon L2 is equal to F1 upon F2 into L1 upon L2 into Y2 upon Y1 into A2 upon A1. ठीक है, इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया मैंने. रेशियो ऑफ द इलोंगेशंस पूछा है उन्होंने. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू F1 अपॉन F2 सेम है, कट हो गया. L1 अपॉन L2 सेम है. अरे यार ये सब कुछ कट हो गया. आंसर इज A2 अपॉन A1. आंसर इज A2 अपॉन A1 जो मुझे यहां से मिलेगा. कैसे देखिएगा. M1 अपॉन M2 मास इज डेंसिटी इंटू वॉल्यूम. Density into volume, density cut A1 into L1 upon A2 into L2, that is A1 upon A2, but M1 by M2 is 4/3 is equal to A1 upon A2. Therefore A2 by A1 is equal to 3/4. A2 by A1 is equal to 3/4. So I get L1 upon L2 is equal to 3/4. जवाब है B second option. जवाब है B second option. Right? Okay. Second question. The Poisson's ratio of the material is 0.25. Yeah. If it is stretched by a force F, the longitudinal strain produced is 5 into 10 raised to minus 4. Small l upon capital L, 5 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay. What is the percentage increase in the volume? What is the percentage increase in the volume? Percentage change in the volume. Percentage change in volume is change in volume upon original volume into 100. यहाँ पे लेंथ बढ़ती है बच्चों, समझो यहाँ पे लेंथ बढ़ती है और एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन कम होता है तो चेंज नहीं होता है वॉल्यूम. सो इट इज 0 अपॉन V into 100. देयर इज नो चेंज इन द वॉल्यूम एंड आंसर इज 0. आंसर इज 0%. लेंथ बढ़ेगी तो एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन कम होगा लेकिन वॉल्यूम बरकरार रहेगा जो है वो, इसलिए द चेंज इन वॉल्यूम विल बी इक्वल टू 0. है क्या ऑप्शन? या The answer is C, third option. The answer is C, third option. Question number 3 की बात करते हैं. A copper wire and a steel wire having the same cross-sectional area, A1 is equal to A2, are fastened end to end and stretched by a force F. So दोनों को लगाया हुआ फोर्स भी इक्वल है. F1 is equal to F2. The length of the copper and steel wire are in the ratio 2:1. Length of copper original length upon length of steel is equal to length of copper upon length of steel is equal to 2 upon 1 is equal to 2 upon 1. Then the ratio of their extensions will be how much? The ratio of their extensions will be how much? यहाँ पे कुछ तो भी मिसिंग है, एक सेकेंड. The copper wire and a steel wire have the same cross sectional area and are fastened end to end and stretched by a force F. The length of the copper and steel wire are in the ratio 2:1. हाँ दिया है. And the moduli of elasticity are in the ratio 1:2. Copper, steel, 1:2. Find out the ratio of their elongation. L copper upon L steel is equal to how much? Formula ये लगा रहा हूं मैं. This is FC. इसको C लिखूंगा, इसको S लिखूंगा, इसको C लिखूंगा, इसको S लिखूंगा. FC into LC upon FC into LC upon YC into AC upon FS into LS अपॉन YS इंटू AS. क्या क्या कट हो जाएगा? फोर्स कट हो जाएगा. सो इट इज LC अपॉन LS इंटू YS अपॉन YC. एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन भी कट हो जाएगा. LC अपॉन LS इज 2:1. YS upon this will be 2:1. The answer is 4:1. The answer is 4:1. That's B, second option. That's B, second option. चलिए रुक करते हैं चौथे सवाल का. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. 2 steel wires of the same radius. 2 steel wires यानी दोनों का यंग्स मॉड्यूलस सेम है. Y1 is equal to Y2. 2 steel wires of the same radius. So area of cross section भी सेम, या R1 is equal to R2 जैसे दिया है वैसे लिखेंगे. And their lengths are in the ratio 2:1. L1 upon L2 is equal to 2:1. Length in the ratio 2:1. And their 1:2 है. Sorry. This is 1:2. This is 1:2. मैंने अलग ही क्वेश्चन पढ़ लिया था. 2 steel wires of the same radius have their lengths in the ratio 1:2. Yes. If they are stretched by the same force, F1 is equal to F2. If they are stretched by the same force, then the strain produced in the two wires, strain produced small l upon capital L in the first case upon small l upon capital L in the second case. Young's modulus same है. Young's modulus आएगा stress upon strain in the first case is equal to stress upon strain in the second case. Stress is force per unit area. Force और ये दोनों सेम है तो ये 1 आएगा. Stress will be same. Force सेम है, area भी सेम है. So 1 upon strain in the first case is equal to 1 upon strain in the second case. Is it okay? Therefore 1 गया. Strain in the first case is equal to strain in the second case. That is the ratio of strain in the first case to strain in the second case is 1:1. It is 1:1 and the correct answer is C, third option. Question number 5. Question number 5. A metallic rod breaks when the strain produced in the rod is 0.2%. Small l upon capital L is 0.2%. Small l upon capital L is 0.2%. What should be the area of cross section? What should be the area of cross section? A is equal to how much? To support a load of 10 raised to 4 Newton, F is equal to 10 raised to the power 4 Newton. If the Young's modulus is 7 into 10 raised to 9, 7 into 10 raised to 9 Newton per meter square, y is equal to FL upon pi r square into L. A is equal to F upon y into L by L, F 10 raised to 4, 7 into 10 raised to 9, small l upon capital L, 0.2 upon 100. The answer will be area of cross section ढूंढना है. ये ऊपर चला गया 10 raised to 6, 7 into 0.2, 7 into 35 कैसे हो गया, डिवाइडेड बनी भाई 0.7 into 0.2, इसका रेसिप्रोकल. The answer is 7.15 into 10 raised to minus 4, 7.15 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का जवाब है ए फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का जवाब है ए फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. तो ये पहले 5 सवाल बी सी ए. अब रुख करते हैं छठे सवाल का. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, 7, 8, 9 एंड 10 हाफवे थ्रू है. हम सभी न्यूमेरिकल्स है, वक्त थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगेगा लेकिन कंसेप्ट क्लियर होते चलेंगे, ऐसे आशा के साथ हम लोग शुरू करते हैं छठवां सवाल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देखते हैं क्या है. चलिए. अ वायर इज स्ट्रेच थ्रू 2 millimeter by a certain load. L1 is equal to 2 millimeter. L1 is equal to 2 millimeter. The extension produced in the wire of the same material with double the length. Same material with double the length. L2 is equal to 2 times L1. The wire is stretched by 2 millimeter. The extension produced in the wire of same material with double the length and radius with the same load. Radius be doubled, but same radius double और क्या दिया, same load ना. या F1 is equal to F2. F1 is equal to F2. L2 is equal to how much? So I rewrite Y1 is equal to Y2. F1 L1 upon pi R1 square into L1 is equal to F2 into L2 upon pi R2 square into L2. F1 कट हो गया, pi कट हो गया. L1 upon R1 square into 2 is equal to L2 is 2 times L1, R2 is 2 times R1 का square into L1. L1 gets cancelled. 1 upon 2 times R1 square is equal to 2 upon 4 times R1 square into L2. L2 will be equal to, ये कट हो गया, L2 will be equal to 1 millimeter. L2 will be equal to 1 millimeter. The extension produced 1 millimeter नहीं आ रहा है, एक सेकेंड लेट मी चेक. हाँ नहीं आएगा 1 millimeter. This will be 1 this will be 2 let me check 1 by L2 के जगह पे स्क्वायर है ना, वो 2 millimeter is the initial stretch. ये 2 आ गया. Yes, it is 1 millimeter. Undoubtedly it is 1 millimeter. Therefore the answer of that question, question number 6 का आंसर है C थर्ड ऑप्शन. C का आंसर है 6 का आंसर है C थर्ड ऑप्शन. रुख करते हैं सातवें सवाल का. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. द कॉम्प्रेसिबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर इज 6 into 10 raised to minus 10. compressibility is 6 into 10 raised to minus 10. Okay. If 1 liter of water is subjected to a pressure of 1 liter of water, V is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. क्योंकि 1 liter होता है 1 dm cube, that is 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube, is subjected to a pressure of dP 4 into 10 raised to 7. dP is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 7. Then what are they asking? Decrease in the volume. C is equal to, K is equal to V dP by dV. dV is equal to V dP upon K, that is V dP into C 10 raised to minus 3 into dP is 4 into 10 raised to the power 7. Compressibility is 6 into 10 raised to minus 10. This is 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter cube. 4 नहीं 2.24. 24 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube, that is 24 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 liter, that is 24 milliliter. 24 milliliter. 24 milliliter. Yes, the answer is D, fourth option. The answer is D, fourth option. The answer is D, fourth option. Let me check once. Yeah. Question number 8. A wire can be broken by applying a load of 15 kg weight. F1 is equal to 15 kg weight. Okay. The force required to break a wire of the same length and material but twice the diameter. F2 is equal to how much? Twice the diameter. Yani R2 is equal to twice of R1. Force is directly proportional to area of cross section. Therefore, F2 upon F1 is equal to A2 upon A1, which is pi into R2 square upon pi into R1 square. F2 is equal to 15 into 2R1 upon R1 ka square. 15 into 4, that is 60 kg weight is my answer. 60. Yes, it's correct. And the answer is C, third option. And the answer is C, third option. चलिए हम आगे 9वें सवाल पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. क्या है क्वेश्चन? Two wires A and B are of the same length. L1 is equal to L2. Their diameters are in the ratio 1:2. R1 upon R2. Diameters are in the ratio 1:2. So radius will also be in the ratio 1:2. And Young's moduli in the ratio 2:1. Y1 upon Y2 is equal to 2:1. If they are pulled by the same force, F1 is equal to F2, then their elongations will be in the ratio L1 upon L2 is equal to how much? So Y1 upon Y2, so this is going to be upon pi R1 square into L1 upon F2 into L2 upon pi R2 square into L2 is equal to 2/1. इस रिजल्ट में मैंने वैल्यूज डाल दिए हैं. सो क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? L1 अपॉन L2 इंटू F1 कट हो गया, L1 अपॉन L2 पाई कट हो गया, R2 अपॉन R1 दी होल स्क्वायर इंटू L2 अपॉन L1 इज 2:1. व्हाट इज L1 बाय L2? इक्वल है, ये भी गया. R2 बाय R1 4 आएगा ये, इंटू L2 बाय L1 इज इक्वल टू 2/1. हमको चाहिए L1 बाय L2. द आंसर ऑफ L1 बाय L2 इज 2:1. दैट इज बी, सेकंड ऑप्शन. द आंसर इज बी, सेकंड ऑप्शन. आखिरी 10वां सवाल आज का, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. आज का आखिरी 10वां सवाल, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. the ratio of the lengths of two rods A and B of same material. The ratio of the length is given, same material, यानी y1 is equal to y2. The ratio of the lengths is given, so L1 upon L2 is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2, and the ratio of their radii is 2:1. R1 upon R2 is equal to 2 upon 1. What is the ratio of modulus of rigidity? So Young's modulus as well as modulus of rigidity will be the same because it is material dependent, and the ratio of the modulus of rigidity will be 1:1. The ratio of the modulus of rigidity will be 1:1. That is A is the correct answer. That is A is the correct answer. सभी सवालों के जवाब मिल गए हैं, आप कॉपी कर लीजिए. कोई डाउट है तो ज़रूर कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना ताकि मैं उसको सॉर्ट आउट कर पाऊँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 5 पहले बोर्ड पे था, फिर ये 6, 7, 8, 9 और 10. आई होप किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं आएगा. वापस एक बार दोहरा रहा हूँ, अगर डाउट है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिएगा ज़रूर. फिलहाल आज के लिए इतना ही. कल मिलेंगे अगले MCQ के लेक्चर के सॉल्यूशन के साथ. तब तक के लिए रुक जाएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैव अ ग्रेट डे.